In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create newsletter and get subscribers with MailerLite. First, log into your MailerLite account and head to the campaign section. This is your control center for newsletters. Click Create Campaign to begin. Think of a campaign as one email you'll send to a specific audience. Starting here keeps everything organized and easy to track later. When MailerLite asks for the type, choose Regular Campaign. This is the standard one-time email most people use for newsletters and announcements. You might see other options, but regular is perfect for a clear, simple send without extra complexity. Next, fill in the campaign details. Give your campaign a name that only you will see so you can recognize it later. Then write a compelling subject line. Keep it brief, benefit-focused, and specific. The pre-header is the short line that shows next to the subject in inboxes, so use it to support or clarify your main message. For the sender, pick a recognizable from name and email so subscribers know it's you at a glance. Consistency here builds trust and improves open rates. Now choose your recipients. You can select all subscribers or target a specific group if you've already organized your contacts. For newsletters aimed at growth, it's helpful to include your broad audience, but always make sure you're emailing people who've opted in. Click Next. Content to design your email. You can start with a template to move faster or build from scratch in the drag and drop editor. Templates are great for maintaining a clean, mobile-friendly layout. Keep your design simple with clear sections, a header, a main story or hero, supporting content, and a call to action. Add your text, images, and sections. Keep paragraphs short, use descriptive headings, and include alt text for images. Link your buttons clearly. If growing your list is a goal, add a visible subscribe or share button that points to your sign-up page so readers can pass it along. Personalizing with a first name can help, as long as your list has that data. As you edit, click Preview to see how it will look on desktop and mobile, and use Send Test to email yourself. Check for typos, broken links, and readability. When everything looks right, finalize your settings and choose whether to send now or schedule. Scheduling is great for timing your newsletter to when your audience is most active and for aligning with time zones. Give it a final pass. Subject line, pre-header, links, and images. Then confirm the send or schedule and you're done. With a consistent cadence and clear calls to action, your newsletter can inform your audience and help you attract more subscribers over time.